Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I apologize for the echo. I'm sorry if I'm not in frame. We are in a new location. The boys and I are moving. I just got my keys this morning. I'm super excited. Life has been lifing, and sometimes you just have to make moves. I literally found out I was moving around 2 weeks ago, and I already got my keys this morning. So I wanted to make sure that the kids would be able to move into their new place and get settled before school starts. So things are going to be very different. We have about half as much space. I honestly feel so fortunate to have been able to get this place, to be able to afford this place. I am not gonna cry on camera, but I am so excited to be able to take you all on the journey of making this place feel like home. I feel very inspired in this new space. I feel challenged to, bring you guys more small space storage options and making the kids' bedrooms work now that we're working with less space. The next couple videos is going to be sort of a moving series if I can keep up with it, but give me grace, okay? If I can keep up with it, I will try to film as much as I can, but I have done so much packing in a very short amount of time because we got to get out of here. So the plan is that I'm going to bring stuff over when I'm in the area. We're moving quite a bit away from where we were before. So I'm going to be bringing stuff over in my car, as much stuff as I can fit in my car, so that the movers, to cut down the cost of the movers, because they charge by the hour. So the more stuff you have, the longer it's going to take. So anything that can fit in my car, I'm bringing in my car, so that the movers will just have to move boxes and larger furniture. I'm not bringing any of my bedroom furniture, so I'm getting an entirely different bedroom set situation. And then the kids are bringing all their furniture. And then we're not bringing our couch. So we're going to get a new couch right in here, which is perfect because you guys know I have been looking for a couch that has removable cushion covers, so I can throw them in a washing machine when I need to. Let's see. I guess I can give you, I'm not going to give like a full tour, like a layout tour, but I'll show you just a little bit of what we're working with. Is our new kitchen. You see I've already brought up my my coffee machine. Coffee machine is there, refrigerator. So I don't have a water dispenser anymore here, which is fine. I ordered a Brita, the one that not the pitcher, but the big one that you sit inside the refrigerator. Here is our little pantry. But the assistant manager of the property said that I could make this closet a larger pantry. I'll just request that they add some more shelves all the way down, and I think that's what I'm going to do, because this is the living room. This is where I was just standing, because this big closet is also down here. I can fit vacuum cleaners and mops and brooms and everything else. And then downstairs is actually where the entrance is. Down there we have laundry, and my office is going to be down there, which I'm so glad I was able to find a place that would be able to accommodate me having an office. So going upstairs, now this is where we're compromising on a lot of space. I think I might want to remove this and have it hung on this wall instead, or just remove it altogether, because I want to put over the toilet storage in here, because this is the only storage space that they have. They don't need a whole lot, but just to give another option. And then this is our new linen closet, which again is probably half the size of what we have now. So, but we have so many other storage spaces in the house, so I won't have to put all of our cleaning stuff in here. I can just do all of the linens and towels and sheets and stuff like that. This is my room. I'm gonna go down to a queen size bed. I don't need a king. The kids don't come in my bed as much as they did back when we were in our apartment. That was my reason for getting a king size bed because they would always come in there and I would be like on the edge of the bed. So I'm gonna get a queen in here, 2 nightstands, a new dresser, and here is my closet. It's much smaller than my current closet, but I've done a lot of decluttering, so I think this will be just perfect. And then I'll put my dresser here. And then here is my bathroom. I'm not gonna lie, I'm gonna miss my bathroom so much. That was probably my favorite part of my house. But this is also very beautiful. And again, I want to remove that towel thing because I don't really use the towel rack in our current bathroom. And I want to put an over the toilet storage unit in here as well because I don't have any drawers in this bathroom. This is a false drawer. And I just have everything is soft close, which is nice. I don't have that in my current place. And this faucet is really nice too. Huge mirror, hi. And then there is a big giant window, which you guys know I have lots of windows in my current bathroom. So that's nice. So I won't feel like I'm in a black hole in here. This is Xavier's room. He's gonna bring all of his furniture in here. He doesn't have a whole lot. He has his bed, which I'm thinking is gonna go against this wall. We'll probably get rid of one of his nightstands and just do one nightstand, his dresser, and then his desk over here because the closet has sliding doors. We don't need any clearance. We don't need any clearance, a whole lot of clearance on this side to access the closet. So I'll probably just do his bed, nightstand, desk, and then dresser in that corner. And then he'll just have this open space here. And then here's Ethan's bedroom. We will do same situation. He only has one nightstand as it is. So we'll do bed, dresser, and he has like toy boxes and little things like that. Some of his stuff we're gonna do in the closet, but his closet has this little incline thing. So it's gonna kind of limit the amount of stuff that I can put on the floor, which is a little annoying, but he has plenty of top shelf storage. So we'll utilize that. We're gonna make it work. So that is a little tour of the first 2 levels. I am gonna start bringing some stuff up.
Me My AI just changed. It just buzzed the front gate. Thank God you came. How many more days could I wait? I made plans with you, and I won't let them fall through. I think I lie for you. I think I die for you. Jodeci cry for you. Do things when you want me to. Like controller, controller. Yeah, like controller, controller. Yeah. Okay, you like it when I get aggressive. Tell you to go slower, go faster. Like controller, controller. Yeah, like controller, controller. Yeah. And I'm never on a wasting shawty. I do it how you say you want it. Them girls, they just wanna take my money. They don't want me to give you nothing. They don't want you to have nothing. They don't wanna see me find your love. They don't wanna see me smiling back when they pre-knowing I lie for you. Thinking I die for you. Jodeci cry for you. Do things when you want me to. Like controller, controller. Yeah, like controller, controller. Yeah.
Hey guys, we're at the house and I am showing the kids their house for the first time.
Yeah.
That's gonna be my office and like mommy's hangout room.
Why are the kitchen upstairs?
What do you think?
Whoa, I just got my room.
That's my room. Yeah. You love it?
Oh.
What do you think? This is your bathroom. Oh, I didn't even know they could do that. So what do you think, Ethan? How do you guys like your new house?
I don't like this. They was turning his phone on.
Okay.
Oh, I'm back. Ew.
Triggering?
How?
Bringing you the itch?
Yes. Mommy, look all the dots.
No. Oh, it's true.
That's horrible. What's this, guys?
This is a good size for this room. I mean, a king size would not have left me much space to work with. So I was thinking of, I told y'all before, putting a vanity over there or over here. But I think with the lighting over here, with the window, I think the vanity over here will,
Mommy, is this bed?
it's already starting to look like a room.
Mommy,
With
is
the
this
mattress.
bed?
Yeah. So we
You
stopped
got-
by.
what's the bed?
We stopped by the new house after church.
2 choices?
So I still have on church clothes and I literally brought that entire thing. Oh, my hair is, oh my gosh, it's so hot. Brought that entire thing upstairs. It was so heavy. I'm surprised I didn't break a nail. But I'm like, girl, this is why you work out. And then I also brought this over and some other stuff, but this is the stuff I got from TJ Maxx. So I'm trying to maximize all this under cabinet storage. Although I feel like I wish these were longer and took up this whole space. but they're not, but that's okay. So we still have space in between here for whatever. You're not supposed to lay on it for the first 24 hours, 36 hours, but we don't officially move in until Friday. It's Sunday today, so it's Sunday today, and I think my bed frame is actually coming, but I still haven't gotten a box spring.
Like and subscribe and share to my mom's channel.
Hey guys, so it is moving day. The moving truck is out in the driveway. My office is completely empty.
Soften up the mess, drop it in the water, let the daughter find her image with the rest. She'll be learning how to breathe, spinning through identity, reveal another pretty little scheme. Save her mind, hold her hand.
Hey guys, so we are back at the new place. I am pulling out my new sheet set. I'm gonna put them in the washing machine so I can put them on the bed. They are starting to bring stuff up, clothes are in here. Xavier's room is taking shape. See George, he survived the move. And here's Ethan's room, his bed is in. I just brought over his rug from the other place, but there is the comforter. Last night, it was so funny because Xavier and I literally left the house at 3 o'clock in the morning and came here to bring a load of stuff over, and I finished putting my bed together. So this is how it is looking. I think it looks so good. And then obviously when I get my nightstand, I'll just pop my lamps on the nightstands, and the dresser will go here.
Let the sun in. Copy out the key and tell her this is for becoming. Even in the fever, baby, cry and get to running. And tell her that you better get your bootstraps up. You're with the army, ready when the truth act up. Nothing can harm me. Yelling from the roof, I touch, put up a guard and count to 10. Lions den, speaking with the higher pen. Can't be touched by fire. Fast forward to the grown things now. I'm working on them soul things now. Forgiving all your old ways, but it's harder on the cold day. Cold day. Never been a product of a flawless environment. Never acted like I'm higher than